Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes. In this video, we will learn how to install WordPress on the Windows operating system. Download WordPress. To install WordPress, go to the web browser of your choice. Type WordPress download into the search bar. Click the first link you see on this page. It will redirect you to the WordPress official website. Now, click on the Download WordPress. You will see the zip file begin to download here. In Windows, navigate to the folder where Xampp is installed. That's Xampp for me. Find the HDocs folder in that folder. Now extract your WordPress folder into HDocs. Here. Let's rename the extracted file. I will rename it as LSET UK. Then for WordPress installation you need to create a MySQL database. To launch phpMyAdmin from your Xampp, here type localhost phpMyAdmin on the URL bar of the web browser. Now here on the top menu, click Databases. Here, please enter a name for your database, and click Create. Here is the name of your newly created database. Install WordPress. Now let us visit our test site. Here you'll get the normal WordPress installer. Remember, your test site is just localhost folder name, project name. Here, you will get to the database details. Please enter your database name, username, and password. Now click on Submit. After that, here provide the necessary details like title name, username, password, and email. Then click on the checkboxes to confirm your password and search engine visibility. Now click on Install WordPress. It'll redirect you to the login page. Here, you can log in with your valid username and password. Now, after the successful login, you can see the WordPress dashboard on your screen. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress in your local system. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to LSET for more updates.